Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest software features to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to search in Adobe Reader 2025. If you've ever sifted through a massive PDF looking for a specific word or phrase, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, Adobe Reader's search function is a game changer, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Reader 2025 installed on your device. If not, head to the official Adobe website to download and install it for free. Once you're all set, open the program and load the PDF document you want to search. It's as simple as clicking File, and then Open, or dragging the file into the interface. Now, let's get to the search feature. Look at the top of the window. Right next to the menu bar, you'll see a search bar. It's usually labeled with a magnifying glass icon. Click on it and type in the word or phrase you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for annual report, just enter those words and hit enter. Adobe Reader will instantly highlight all the matches in your document. You'll see a list of results on the side panel, showing page numbers and snippets of text. Use the arrows to navigate through each occurrence quickly. Pro tip: if you want more precise results, click on the Advanced Search options. Here, you can specify things like whole words only, case sensitivity, or even search within specific pages. One more handy feature: keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl+F to bring up the search bar instantly. Mac users, it's Command+F. This saves you even more time, especially if you're working with large files. And there you have it. Searching in Adobe Reader 2025 is straightforward and efficient. Whether you're a student reviewing notes or a professional analyzing reports, this tool will boost your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.